Hello and welcome. You are watching This Minute here on Republic TV. This minute at 3 p.m. The big story we're tracking is that of Hafiz Saeed's brand new political party that he's planning to float here in Pakistan. And we here at Republic TV have accessed the man that Hafiz Saeed has named as the chairman of the Milli Muslim League. That's the name of the political party that Hafiz Saeed is looking to start. And we have the visuals of the flag and Hafiz Abdul Rauf, the man who's been tasked with becoming the chairman of Hafiz Saeed's brand new political party, Milli Muslim League. That's Hafiz Abdul Rauf. He's been part of the senior leadership at the Lashkar-e-Taiba since the year 1999, has held various senior positions in Lashkar-e-Taiba. Hafiz Abdul Rauf, he is the man who's been tasked with becoming the chairman of Milli Muslim League. Hafiz Abdul Rauf, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the flag of Hafiz Saeed's Milli Muslim League, the political party he is looking to float. These two have been exclusively accessed by Republic TV, and we're being joined by Aditya Raj Kaul, our associate editor, with more details on that. Aditya Raj Kaul, Hafiz Abdul Rauf was designated as a global terrorist by the United States State Department in the year 2010, and today he is set to become a Neta in Pakistan.
Absolutely. This is a big development coming in. We are breaking these inside details from Jamaat-ud-Dawa Lashkar-e-Taiba in Pakistan only on Republic First. In fact, we had broken just a couple of days ago this intention of Hafiz Saeed to form a political party amidst political turmoil in Pakistan at a time when the Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has been ousted. We have an interim Prime Minister right now before the elections really take place, and Jamaat-ud-Dawa and Lashkar-e-Taiba leadership has decided to form the Milli Muslim League. Now, Republic has initially accessed the flag and the symbol of the Milli Muslim League, which has the black, green and white color in it. And apart from that, we have this inside detail that today in the Faisalabad region of Pakistan, there is an important meeting of Defence Pakistan Council, which will be taking on board all the political parties and senior political leaders and decision makers and Islamist radicals on this consensus of a name for Milli Muslim League, and also what the agenda of this so-called political party would be. Of course, they have also decided, and this has been decided by Hafiz Saeed himself, that Hafiz Abdul Rauf, who is currently the chairperson of the Falah-e-Insaniyat Foundation, another terror finance network that has been in fact designated by the United States, and in fact Abdul Rauf has himself been designated in the year 2010 by the US State Department in a move to in fact block the financial network of the Lashkar-e-Taiba, which is Pakistan based. This is a big development coming in at a time when Pakistan is facing a massive political turmoil. These terror groups who have been indulging in Islamist terrorism against India, specifically in the northern Indian region of Jammu and Kashmir. And apart from that, he is one of the main accused in the Mumbai 26/11 attacks as well. They are going to form a political party. Is Pakistan trying to give some kind of a legal and an official sanction to such entities who have been indulging in crimes against humanity? At least that's what we are gathering at this moment. We are trying to get more details, but what we are being told through our sources is that August 14, which is the Independence Day of Pakistan, will be the day when Hafiz Saeed will be launching this political party. Of course, he is in house arrest for 2 months now. His house arrest has been extended. He won't be there, but there will be senior leadership of the Jamaat-ud-Dawa, of Defence Pakistan Council and other Islamist leaders, including the Deputy Chairman of the Pakistani Senate, who would be there at a massive function on August 14 when they will be launching this political party. Today they are meeting in Faisalabad to in fact decide on the details of this political party, after which they will reach out to the Election Commission in Pakistan to register it formally, and perhaps on August 14 they will be launching it. That's what is being decided right now. The consensus will emerge perhaps by tomorrow.